Hello, so this question is range additional 2. So you are given an n by n matrix and then also the operation array. So you have to count and return the number of maximum. So maximum integer in the matrix after performing all the operation. So this is a quickly just back over solution. So 3 by 3 matrix, right? And operation is to the array, and then for every single op array, you will have to increment from 0 to 2, but not including 2. So just 1 1, right? This is 0 1 2, this is 0 1 2. So you increment the size of 2 times size of 2, which is this little box, by 1, and this one is size of 3, right? 3 by 3 increment by 1. So you will get this result after you perform all the operations to the array, right? So you have to return the maximum value, right? Which is this one, which is this number. So how can you find out this solution? You can actually just using the traversal for operation and find out the minimum value for the row and column. So I'm going to set equal to max for row and column, and I would definitely traverse all of the operation to find out which one is the min value. I mean, I need to just keep updating my min value for the row and column. Then once I have it, then I will just return the row times column, because this is the like a size, like a match, like a rectangle, something like this, right? You can definitely return something else, right? So 2 by 1 is a rectangle, 2 by 2 is the square. So if the operation is empty, you need to return the size of the matrix, which is 3 by 3. And then let's start coding. So I will have r equal to integer dot max val, c equal to integer dot max val, traversing the operation array, r equal to max dot min op at 0 ar, right? So I would prefer to write like this, right? So c is also exactly the same thing, c comma op at 1. So this is it, right? So if r is equal to integer dot max, which is unchanged, right? And also c is equal to integer dot max, then I will just return n by n, right? And everything else is going to be returned r times c. So this is straightforward. So what? In integer, okay, I spelled it wrong. Alright, submit. Alright, so for the time and space, it's pretty straightforward. This is space constant, this is time. It's going to be length of the operation array, so all of op, you know. And let me like set a breakpoint over here. So I'm going to use it in debug mode, and then to see if there's anyone is interesting the detail, and then you just take a look. Okay, so just keep watching. So in this one, it's running the two different example. Alright, so basically like you just keep updating for sure, but once you have the smallest value, you won't change too much. So probably you'll find out a better example, and then you just keep updating. So let me just do like this. So imagine I have 1 by 1, and then I'm going to rerun. So say equal to default to max. So 2 is the max value, min value right now, and then the next one is going to be 3 3, right? Now the next one is going to be 1 1. So you will return 1, right? Test case, run the code. Yes. So this is a solution. So Time and space are super straightforward, so if you have any question, leave a comment below, subscribe if you want it. Alright, peace out.